It's too hard. It's too hard headed. I told y'all. Let me see here. What? 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 Yeah. All right. Okay. Crypto is already taking off. Just wait your time. It's taking off. It's taking off. Just, just wait. Just kind of. She's too hard. And sometimes it will take a long time, but you will make your. I've entered crypto when it was low and it paid off. Sometimes it can take a long, and it paid off. It can take, and it paid off. It can take a long time, but you will make your profits back and some more as long as you patient. All right, I have posted that on a thing, so let's see if y'all want to go look at that. If y'all want to go look at that, there it is. Yes, 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 yours. Now we're gonna go back to the all over. He's too hard. She too hard headed. So this is what I did for today. You can see it's in this ranging mode. Boom, boom. If it comes here, I can see it coming down from here to here. Just cause. So, mm, I could see something like this happening. It's just when I don't know. I just look at price for what it is. If it look like it's gonna happen, it's gonna happen to me. So from here to here, that's a good one right there. So the price hit here, I can see it coming down at least here. So let's see what we can find today. So boom, boom, it breaks off from here. It comes back here. Do that. So this is what we draw for today. So our first target is here. What it did came up to here. So price have came from here to here. It did respect it. Boom. It did respect it. So our first target did hit. And I don't really like, I'm not gonna lie, I don't really like this target. Let me see, let's go to, let's see. Because what it looked like, it just broke out of this range. It's coming back here. And then it's smacking off here to here. So that's what it looks like. Like it's breaking out of something. Comes back in. Wanted to at least hit here. So as you see, it's 15. I'm thinking it's up. The lowest it might go, I'm saying the lowest it can probably go is here. If you're still thinking of buys, this is a good buy area because I'm thinking price doesn't want to go down below this area. So even so, if price doesn't want to go below this area, we go to 5 minutes. As you can see, we got a little gap right here. It retests. It goes up to here. Yeah. But as you can see on the 1 minute, it's way of a bigger area. Even you can stretch it out from probably like these three right here. You could stretch it out to like this. It comes in here, retouch this area. There's another area, retouch, and it's holding. So as you can see, it's holding this area, as you can see. So I kind of want to, as you can see, it's holding. So we're going to go to 30 on this one. That's all, man. We kind of got the, okay, I kind of got the same support area, as you can see. It's just this one is a little lower. from probably days ago. So today, let's see. Let's see. So what you can see from here to here, you see on the third touch, comes in here, goes up. So at least you know price in this area comes up. At least here. Alright, so yeah, at least no price comes up from there to there. And now you just got your areas where you just want to enter. Like I said, so places you want to enter. Like I said, there was only two places you can enter for the day. No, and yeah, it was no kind of entry. Let me see. As you can see, so these are empty. So where's emptiness? So over all of this. So all of this is like areas. We could write 1 minute in here. 1 minute entry zone. 1 minute. The 1 minute entry zone right here. And this was probably another one right here. So this doubles touch. Let's see. It has this double touch. So you look at the market structure, you but it's probably put like a little alert here. See what it does in this area. Put an alert in this area and see what price do. I see about two touches. So the third one I'm looking to enter. So as you can see, 5 minute. as you can see, a 5 minute. Oh man. So you can see a 5 minute. All right. So if you want to enter off the 5, let's see. So you got a big 5 minute, guys. So look at this. So this is a nice 5 minute. So 5 minute entry zone. And you're taking it up to here. So every entry zone. So you're looking what price do at certain entries. It's holding. As you can see, it's holding and it went up from here. So you just want the market to repeat itself, and then that's where you enter. So you find good entries, like entry zone here to here, entry zone probably you try to get a little deep in here to here, and then it melts down. And now we could wait for tomorrow, see what tomorrow does. Uh, it can't wick down and come back up for tomorrow, or we just don't know. We just don't know. Like he said, it's 15 minutes. So we look how I look. We just want this, and that was it. And now it just melted down. You see how it just melt? Boom. We go here. Boom. Boom. So we gotta be patient. So gold really did absolutely nothing. As you can see, gold did nothing. So we just waiting for price to just come back down to at least first area. So at least our first area. Gold did absolutely nothing. It just went up. You can't really predict the market just going up. So it just went up, comes back down. See where you like to enter. Yeah. All right, comes here, comes here. Boom, 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 boom. Like say if there's a sell, comes here, try to look for some sell, never happens. This is a sell. Boom, 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 boom. Let's try to sell in the beginning, comes here, try to sell, never happens. Uh, this is a sell for today. All right, so say you're trying to sell. All right, boom, boom. All right, sell for today. Comes here, comes here. Look how sell. Boom. That good TP. It's a buy for today. It comes here, comes up. Maybe look for a buy here. Doesn't work. Look for a buy here. Probably doesn't work. It wicks down. It comes up to this nice area right here. That price was at previously. It comes all the way down. No more buys. Try to sell it. So try to buy here again. You see it's too high. Comes all the way down here. Probably look for some type of buys. Comes up. Comes down. All right, this your only buy for today. Buy opportunity. And yeah. Like so, say if this your only buy opportunity. Like let's just say this is your only buy opportunity. Can you even buy? So this will probably be your only buy opportunity. So something like probably something like this. Yeah. So can you even answer this? So where would you even answer? So boom. Okay. We have five. Let's see. We have this. It rips through. It rips this to rip through. Got a rip through. Got another rip through with the stop loss right here. And this can you make TP? Like if you want to play it safe. So the highest it went. Probably right here though, at most. So let's see. Like if it comes here to maybe here. As you see, price goes here a lot. So yeah, that would have been a good TP though. So boom. Another rip through. You see another rip through again. Place. Another rip through again. Comes here. Boom. So you probably look, but this is a little bit a nice one. So it comes here, rip through, rips through. You come here, make the stop loss probably like right here. It's a nice 2 to 3 from here to there, and a nice what is this? Uh, let's just say we enter from this jump right here. A nice probably yeah, this probably good one right here. 2 to 5. So 2 to 3 and a 2 to 5. Still lose both of them, but this is a good area to take TP. Probably if it breaks here, you might want to exit, but I don't really like exiting. Could be a fake. But that's good. That's two good ones right there. So I'm just showing y'all like you just gotta look at different methods to how would you enter. So right now I could see price. I don't know what price is actually doing. She's too hard. Oh, she too hard headed. Let's delete this. That's a buy right here. Look at that. Oh, it really could just keep going up. So let's see. See, look, it can just keep going up. Yeah, it can just keep going up. It ain't really nothing you could do for here. See, his price is not retaining back. You don't really want to enter, so let's go to Nas. Nas is the same there. Let's go to Nas. See what Nas gave us. So the entry point. This can be another one right here. Point of either entry or TP. Like, so if it comes up, like if it comes down and it's down here, it comes up and it wicks down, and you could probably try to take TP down there. Uh, maybe, maybe. Uh, let's see. So only thing I seen for Nas was a little. Probably could have found something right here. Let's see. Restart price. Yeah, there was no point in them not even a 1 minute to even retain that. Yeah, they just ran up. I'm still thinking it still want to go above, so we're gonna follow the trend. Boom, boom. As you can see, it comes up. Boom. This is still kind of like an uptrend, still in an uptrend. So you can see this is still in an uptrend, as you can tell. Like it's playing around, but try to find something and hold it to at least here. It did hit here. So from boom, like so say if you enter here, try to get taken out from the day of, probably get taken out. Probably get taken out because probably think it's gonna go back to here. We don't know where a good entry is at. Let's just play this one back. Like look how the market could just fucking play with you. Like okay, so say 15 minutes. As you can see it's holding. All right, let's zoom on. Still in the uptrend. We're gonna write bullet points. Still in the uptrend. Let's see. 200 EMA is holding as support. Support. So I'm trying to see points of points you can really enter. So mm, no, let's see. This is a this is kind of like a point right here. So it rips through. You could your first entry probably be something like right. Come here, come here. Set to something like right here. Stop loss will be like right here. So it could almost just take like I said, this can almost hit. Probably, this is a 2 to 5, but it does hit the next day. Uh, this can be a good entry right here. A rip through, like James Harden rip through. Uh, that's a good entry right there. Uh, another 5 minute entry. I'll just do a 5 minute real quick. I'm trying to see good 5 minute. Another. This is another five. I don't really like this too much, but these 2 5 minute entries. So 2 throughs. So come here, hit here, rip through. Everyone works low key. So it comes here, comes that. Put this thing, put the stop loss part like right here. Like what I'll do right here. Just that. Come here, stop loss a little bit right here. Something like right here. That's a nice 4 to 1. Another rip through comes here. Those price even go back down. So all rip throughs actually work. So it was 3 rip throughs and it worked. We have this rip through and another rip through. 1 minute. And these is 5 minute rip throughs. Let's see. Now we're gonna go to 1 minute. So 1 minute might be more dangerous because alright, so boom. And you gotta remember, if price hit support twice, maybe you looking at it from this point of angle. So even so, let's say from here, let's just say maybe here. You see you go on 15 is looking like this. We go to 1 minute. Boom. We go to 1 minute. Even if we did 1 minute early, mm, it ain't like the best rip throughs, but this is a rip through right here. But like I said, we're not gonna do rip throughs so early in the game. But look how much rip throughs it is. All right, so all of these is 5 minute rip throughs. So okay, it comes back here. Boom, rip. All right, boom. You see a rip through. We probably put the stop loss somewhere right here. It does hit stop loss. That's the first rip through. Second rip through. Uh, here, all the way from down here. So this can count maybe. So boom comes here, rips through, comes enter, rips through, stop loss, lose. So you lose twice. All right, so let's see another rip through. Maybe here, maybe. Okay, let's see. All right, got a bunch. Okay, we got a bunch of rip throughs. There's a bunch of rip throughs right here. Boom, it rips through. Boom, it does hit. I'm trying to see more rip throughs. This is a rip through. Comes here, rips through, works. Uh, rip through, another rip through. Comes here, rips through, rip. Comes at rip. So all of it does work. The rip through does work, but we have to test it in real time. And yeah, that's what I got for today.